Hi guys, today on Cooking with Tammy, we're going to be making Southern style barbecue baked beans. And of course, these barbecue baked beans would not be Southern if we didn't add meat. So to a large pot, I've already added my olive oil, diced onions, and smoked sausages. Now that our sausages are brown, we're going to add baked beans, barbecue sauce, ketchup, soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce or W sauce, molasses, yellow mustard, cayenne pepper, smoked paprika, brown sugar, ground ginger, and green bell peppers. We're going to mix everything to combine all of these delicious flavors. Leaving it to simmer on the stovetop for about 5 minutes because we want all of the flavors from all of the ingredients to be released and incorporate with each other. Now that we're done, we're going to place our barbecue bean mixture into a greased baking dish. I'm using butter because I want these beans to have the ultimate buttery flavor. Covering with aluminum foil and popping it into our preheated 350-degree oven for about 45 minutes. During the last 15 minutes, we're going to remove the foil and bake uncovered. Once we're done, this is what we're going to have. Now, isn't this an absolute beauty? Not to mention the flavors, we have a bit of smokiness from the smoked sausages, barbecue sauce, and smoked paprika, plus a hint of spice from the cayenne pepper and ground ginger, along with a hint of sweet from the barbecue sauce, molasses, and of course our brown sugar. As always, thanks for cooking with Tammy. Hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, enjoy.